Yo, what is going on, guys? Hello and welcome back to the Residual Royalty Academy. This is the channel where I show you how to go from no royalties to getting at least $1,000 per month in profit in passive income by publishing low and no content books, high content books, audiobooks, and children's storybooks. So in today's video, we're going straight back to the basics, and we're going to be looking at a journal/logbook niche that you should be publishing in right now to maximize your sales over the next month or two. So we're going to be covering in this video, as you can see right here, what the niche is, what the interior is like, how to make it, number 3, how I found this niche, and number 4, how to niche down to make it even less competitive and get even more sales for the books that you create. So make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and let's have a look what the niche is right now. So let's just grab this, and what the niche is going to be is a summer camp journal. So why would we want to do this niche in particular? Well, as you can see, we've got a few different points to make right here, and I'm going to go into Amazon in a second and show you exactly what I mean. So we've only got 1,000 search results for this niche, as you can see on Amazon right here. Make sure when you're on .com that you set your location to a US postcode, and that's going to give you the most accurate results for everything on Amazon. And likewise, if you're looking on amazon.co.uk, you also want to be doing the same thing. But summer camp is mostly like a US thing. We don't really do them here in the UK. So this is why we're not going to be looking at .co.uk for this niche. But yeah, like you can see, there's only 1,000 search results, but the BSRs are pretty amazing on these. So first up, if we have a look at some of these ones right here, you can see this one, Creative Path Publishing. There's no reviews on this book, 0 reviews, and it's ranked 29,000. We can even click this, and we can see the trend over the last couple of months since this book has been made. And you can see all throughout June, basically, so the last entire month, it's been ranked really, really great with no reviews. So that book is making a great amount of money right now. It's making $24 a day, and that is one example of a great book. And you can see this one, which isn't even central, right? You can see this title is not even central, but it's still printing $30 a day, roughly probably $1,000 a month. And these ones are not sponsored, as you can see. The first 4, I think, yeah, the first few of them were sponsored, but these ones are not, right? So these ones are doing really, really amazing, considering they've got such few reviews. And as you can see, if we go on there, it's going to be independently published. Independently published, that's spiral bound, so we can ignore that one. Let's keep going down. I'll show you a few more, and then we'll go on to the interior. But you can see here, again, independently published, only 50 pages in this one, and it's ranked 26,000 in America, which is amazing. 70,000 here, River Breeze, seen these guys around for the last couple of years. These guys are always making good books, so if they're in a niche, you can be sure that it's a good niche to go into. 65,000 on this one, so this is a very simple cover, as you can see. Summer Camp Journal Sketchbook, so there's obviously different variations you can do. You can do like the logbook type, where they're going to be filling in, how their day was, who they met, like what they did. So here, 140,000. 14,000. Oh, this is not related. This is a sponsored product, as you can see. But Camp Journal here, not sponsored, 86,000. Really, really good. And I'm sure there's even more the further we scroll down. So what's this one? Again, independently published just a few days ago, about a week ago actually, and 72,000 in rank with no reviews as well. So this is really a great niche. And before I show you the inside, actually, let me show you how I find it. So all I did, very, very simple, is I was on BookBeam. I do have an affiliate link for this if you do want to get it. I highly, highly recommend it. But you pay the same price, obviously, if you use my link or not. Up to you whether you want to do that. All I did was I searched journal on the niche finder, searched for between 100 and 140,000 in rank. Didn't touch anything else, and simply hit find books. And then what I saw a book similar to this one, which was a summer journal. And then when I was searching for the summer journals on Amazon to check out the niche, I saw a summer camp journal, so I thought that's even more niche down. So that's a great thing to do. And as you can see, a summer journal, slightly different variation on the niche. This doesn't have to be at summer camp, it's just about summer. This one was making $200 a month, so I definitely wanted to search that on Amazon. And then I found the summer camp journals. So before we have a look at niching down, let's look, because we've seen now how I found the niche, let's look at the interiors of some of these books. So let's go to a super simple one such as this, because this one has been doing well for a whole month, even without reviews. So let's have a look at the interior, and this is something you can easily make in Canva. If you do want me to make a part 2, where I basically make an interior and show you how I would make it and make it different to these ones, then please comment below part 2 and I will make a part 2. So now this is loaded, we can see what's going to be inside. So we've got a welcome page, camp information, a packing list, that's very useful. And if you go and look at all these books in this niche, you'll see they're very similar inside. Message from home, these are all like the kind of bonus things that they put at the start. So you do have to put a bit of effort into it, but then it basically comes to this daily journal, which is just going to repeat. So you could just go for the daily journal, but I would recommend putting some extra stuff at the start that's going to make the book have a better feel overall than just this page repeating 50 or 100 times. So that is how I would do it as well. Obviously you're not going to copy them, you're not going to put the exact same things in here. You can maybe add a sketchbook element to it as well, but the daily journal is really very simple. You just got to design this page once and then it's going to repeat 50 or 100 times depending on how many pages you want to put in yours. Let's see, this one has 79 pages, so if you do somewhere between 80 and 100, maybe even 110, it's not going to increase your printing cost much. Because you're going to be doing it in black and white, then that is definitely a great way to do it. So let's have a look at the inside of one more, just so we can firm the idea in our heads. Okay, so we'll look at this one because it's ranked 26,000. Okay, so now that this book has opened up, we can definitely get some more ideas from this one. So again, they've started off with a welcome page. You have a blank page, which is just lines there, which is very simple. Then they have some 50 different pages to sketch, write, collect signatures, and put contact information for new friends. So that is a great thing you can actually add to your interior as well. Yeah, just keep looking through, and basically what you want to do is gather the best parts of each of the interiors and create your own like ultimate interior with the best interior. But like I say, if you want to see me make my own interior for this book, then just comment part 2 and I'll do that in the next video. So let's go back onto here now and we'll continue where we left off. So like I said, there's only 1,000 search results, some of them with bad covers are even selling. Many of them, or most of them, have a BSR of below 100,000 and some of them even had no reviews. The interior is fairly easy, like maybe it'll take you a day to make it if you're doing all those extra pages at the start, which I recommend you to do as well. But that's not that long if you're going to make like $1,000 a month off this book. And don't forget, you can make a few different variations of it, and you can also niche down, which is what we're going to talk about in a minute. And this will also sell into next summer as well, so I definitely recommend this niche for that reason. And the final thing I wanted to add about how to niche down is basically you want to niche it down further into summer camp journal for boys and summer camp journal for girls as well. So I've seen a few examples of this already, or it could have been actually when I was just searching the summer writing journal, not the summer camp one. But it was definitely working when you had one for boys and one for girls. So maybe I'll have to search that instead. So summer writing journal for boys, it could have been here actually. I think this was the exact one that I saw as well, yeah, from the same people, Creative Path Publishing. So summer writing journal for boys, and they also had one for girls, which was doing really well as well. So let's just see the rank. 70,000, doing really good. Summer writing journal for girls, 88,000. So again, below 100,000, the magic number. So yeah, I really hope you have got something out of this video. If you do want to see a part 2, comment below. Like the video, subscribe, and of course, I'll see you in the next video.
They wanna count me out,